pain and unwanted?
Yes.
My answer is yes. I've been with Hills of Glory for almost 4 years. But the main struggle, year 2002 and going 2003, it was a year na talagang nag-struggle ako. For those who doesn't know, I am one of the 4 leaders doon sa Team 1. Meron po akong life group, and I'm so excited to na palabuin yung life group ko. Pero sabi nga nila, yung kalaban is tuso talaga. He will really steal and kill whatever in your faith. Kaya lahat po ng witness ginamit niya. So doon po, naramdaman ko disappointment, faith, and unwanted. Ayaw ko na mag-church kasi gano'n mga kasama ko. Ayaw ko na kasi wala akong life group. Lahat. But one day, inausap ko ni Lord. Sinabi niya, Sis Hanlin, I will give you the 2 C's in your life. That is choices and chances. Choice mong magmukmo, choice mong mag-self-pity, choice mong isipin na hindi ka mahal ni Lord. At bibigyan kita ng chances. Chances to redeem yourself. Chances to be grateful. To choose or chances na to choose the mission, to choose the discipleship. Doon po, habang ako nag-pray, sabi ko, Lord, sorry. Sorry dahil I let the devil won in this battle. Grabe no, hindi ako nagpunta ng church, na-disgrasya pa ako, but God is so good. He is there. Hindi ako nakulangan, hindi ako nakaramdam ng nawala siya doon. Pero ang naramdaman ko, He lift me up. He give me those people that na kaya mo, Ate Hani, na every time na may sasabihin sa akin na, Ate Hani, mag-a-attend ka, I have billions of reasons na hindi ako pupunta. Pero sabi ni Lord, the chances that I've given you must be embraced. Kasi at the end of it, ang blessing is talagang sobra-sobra. So, what pushes me every time is these choices and chances. Dahil kung hindi mo pala pipiliin yung tama, deep inside sa heart mo, nandun ang loneliness. Kaya every time na mapipil mo na talagang the boredom attacks me, sinasabi talaga ni Lord na always choose the right one. Always choose the right thing dahil bigyan kita ng chances na bumago. Amen.
Amen.